Is Dogecoin flipping bearish? Is the crypto market going to crash again? Are we going to see another dump? Are things going to continue bearish as they are this very second? In this video, we are going to be talking about what is absolutely next for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. We have this and much more to cover, so make sure you watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies where we call huge plays way before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month where you get access to the 5,000 member Discord. You can message me anytime. We can build you a portfolio, talk to you on the phone, and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. If you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash up the like button. Blow up the comment section with any of your comments, thoughts, or concerns, and let's get started in the video. So taking a look at coinmarketcap.com, we can take a look at the overview of the crypto market, where things are headed. So Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down 2%. We have Ethereum down 4.5%, Cardano down 5%, being $2.45. Cryptos are getting really cheap again, and this is going to provide for us a very, very good buying opportunity before the second bull run begins to take off like crazy. And this is a good thing. This is a good thing for cryptos to get cheap, because cryptos were getting super high and a lot of us have so much more money we're trying to add into the market. And here we are, it's like, man, things are way too high. I want things to come down to become a little bit cheaper before I add money. Look at XRP. $1.10, Dogecoin, 24 cents, nearly 25 cents, down 4%. So overall, the crypto market is pretty much the same. Most cryptos are down 2 to 4%. Not really doing much, nothing crazy going on, which is okay. It's not the most exciting thing. And generally on Fridays, there's usually big bounces, and this happens for several reasons. And I'm still expecting a bounce for this Friday, but if we don't get it, that's going to be perfectly okay. We have also seen many times when we've had a bit of a red week. Friday ended up being red. Saturdays can end up turning green. Sundays, Sunday nights, those days are usually pretty green. So hopefully we start to see some green and some life back into some cryptos, which will take the fear out of the market, cause excitement again. But there's FUD again, fighting the crypto market. So before we do some technical analysis, if we look at the S&P 500, if we take a look at the NASDAQ, if we take a look at the indices of the stock market, they're actually pushing up green. They're looking green, but the whole crypto market is down. So that means that there's FUD specifically centered around cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. And here is a part of this FUD. Crypto prepares for war with the SEC. Yesterday, I showed you in the article that the SEC is basically attacking Coinbase because they have products that allow you, based on the type of cryptos that you buy, you can gain an annual percentage yield, meaning that you can gain interest on basically just holding your crypto or staking it or putting it into their platform. The government does not like this right now because Gary Gensler, he's with the SEC, the chair of the SEC, he's attacking Coinbase. He's the one doing that because the big banks are paying him off. The big banks are supporting the SEC. The big banks are supporting him. The big banks do not like these financial products that we get through cryptocurrencies because big banks, they want to give you 1% or less a year to hold your money in their yield or high yield accounts, which are 1% or less than 1%. And here we have Coinbase offering products of 7 to 10 or 12% based on the crypto and services that you pick from them specifically to get and yield each and every single year. And there's other crypto platforms that do even better than that. So the government does not like that. The world banks do not like that because it is a direct threat to their business. So we have, ladies and gentlemen, market manipulation. You have big money. People that are threatened by cryptocurrencies pay people that are parts of the heads of the governments in this country to attack cryptocurrencies to attack innovation, to attack your cryptocurrencies from growing. They don't want it to happen, but Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies are inevitable. If you agree with that statement, let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up. So this is causing a little bit of FUD and fear in the market. And this is maybe why cryptos are down just a little bit. But here's some actually good news. Swiss Stock Exchange gets regulatory nod to launch digital asset exchange. So a Swiss stock exchange, basically like the New York Stock Exchange, is now approving cryptocurrency products so that you can get involved in cryptocurrencies in Switzerland. And we are seeing this happen every single week. There's some country, there's some big institution getting involved in cryptocurrencies. And this continues to confirm the adoption. What is going to bring cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin up is adoption, mass adoption, which is not ever going to stop. It's only going to continue to grow. And that's why our cryptocurrencies will be 2 to 3x by the end of the year from where they are now. And let me know if you agree with that in this statement. Do you think it'll be more or less than that? And here we have where Bitcoin could become legal tender next. So El Salvador this week officially made Bitcoin their legal currency. And not only El Salvador is going to do this. No, there's going to be other countries going to do this. Countries that are more wealthier than El Salvador. Other countries that have a bad dollar, that have a bad financial system, a bad economy. These same countries, these same people are looking to get into Bitcoin, looking to get into cryptocurrencies so that they can have an asset class that grows, so that they can store their financial power in a particular area that can grow. A lot of countries, their dollar crumbles 50 to 70% every single year. So they have no safe place to put their money. They get gold, they get certain other assets to do that with, and then they trade and get money for that. That's how a lot of other countries operate. But other countries are going to be looking to follow El Salvador. They're in talks right now to be able to do this. And if other countries, especially in next 2 or 3 years, there's like 50 countries that are doing something similar to this, maybe 10, 20, this will bring the cryptocurrency market cap up by a lot. This will bring trillions of dollars into cryptocurrencies, which would mean Dogecoin, Ethereum, your favorite cryptocurrencies would be so much more higher because all of that money would flow into the cryptocurrency market cap, which means cryptocurrencies, they run an economy. Whenever one cryptocurrency goes up, it generally pushes the others up. Especially that's how it works with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, a bunch of other similar cryptos. All right, so check this out. This is WEBULL. He's taken all of the companies, the corporations in the United States who have put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. This is amazing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a whole bunch of companies like Galaxy Digital, Tesla, MicroStrategy, Square, Marathon, Coinbase. A lot of companies in the US are actually putting Bitcoin on their corporate balance sheet and their corporate treasuries, which means that these companies are actually making profits, big profits, by holding a bit of Bitcoin on their balance, having some of that cash balance that they have within their company and their company's treasury, buying Bitcoin, and they're making a lot of money. Tesla ended up making more money off their Bitcoin investment than all of their vehicle sales the prior year. So we are seeing also a growth in this with companies in the US, corporations in the US starting to expand to do this, to buy Bitcoin, to put it into their balance sheets, which means other companies are going to continue to do this, which means there'll be more trillions of dollars to add to the cryptocurrency market cap, which means this will directly affect the price of Dogecoin. This is just beginning. This pretty much just started this year, starting a little bit last year with a couple of different companies, not many companies, but a few companies started last year. And then this year, other companies started to follow the lead. And I would project that in the next several years, there's probably going to be hundreds, potentially thousands of companies buying Bitcoin, putting it into their corporate treasuries, which means that will bring trillions of dollars into the cryptocurrency market cap. The cryptocurrency market cap is only about $2 trillion right now. So just imagine through just corporations buying Bitcoin, that will bring the cryptocurrency market cap 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe $10 trillion, not including all the other money that's going to be flowing into Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. So this is going to directly affect the price of cryptos. And this is the massive adoption I'm talking about. Not just countries, but we have companies, we have banks, we have so many people jumping into cryptos. It's extremely bullish. Yes, there could be short-term volatility to push the prices down, to see a little bit of a crash, but in the end, over time, we make profits, things go up, things grow very fast for cryptocurrencies, but it takes time. It's not a get rich quick scheme. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. So looking at the crypto fear and greed index, we are still a bit of fear. So there's still fear in the market. That's why things are slowed down. That's why things aren't really hyped up this week. But don't worry, things can flip back in an instant. Just like things crash in an instant, things can also move back up very fast. So looking at some technical analysis, taking a look at Ethereum as one of the leaders in the market, we ended up breaking outside of this ascending triangle pattern. Very interesting to see. However, I am not very bearish. We do have a level of support for Ethereum, which will be approximately $3,200. This would most likely be a strong area where we could get a huge bounce in the cryptocurrency market cap. So cryptocurrencies, we have Bitcoin. Most cryptos are looking the same right now. And what could be very possible is that we end up getting another little correction, another move to the downside. That'll probably spring the big pump. You cannot get a big pump without a dump. So dumps, when things get really cheap, provide buying opportunities for people on the sidelines, and this causes hype, this causes excitement, this causes cryptocurrencies to push up. So looking at Dogecoin, the same type of chart, and honestly, I'm still super bullish because if we look at the chart, we have our first low, we have our second low, and we have our third low. They're getting higher, but this level of resistance is remaining exactly the same. We're having difficulty. So what we call this pattern is an ascending triangle pattern. You have the lows getting higher, but the highs remaining the same. This can be very bullish. So in the next couple of days, hopefully we'll start to see some green. We might see another dump. We might get another double bottom on this level here, or we could even break down further again before getting another strong bounce to the upside. So nothing to be worried about right now. Overall, we're going to continue to watch the market in the Patreon, where I will be letting you guys know what's going on with the market and much more. So make sure you guys check that out in the video description below. If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin or Cardano, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they'll send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or send to your bank account. If you got something out of the video, make sure you smash up the like button. It is my birthday, so I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night.